The written communication is a vital part of the patient care. Therefore, all clinicians need an efficient way to create letters to meet a variety of patient care needs. Patients frequently request written statements from the clinicians, for example, excuse from work or school. Likewise, the clinicians need to inform the patients about their clinical findings. Writing even a simple letter can be time-consuming and disruptive to the clinician's workflow. Unfortunately, CPRS provides no tools for this commonly required task. Therefore, the clinicians either create the letter each time, or keep a few basic templates in Microsoft Word, which they can reuse. Even when using a template, the clinician must perform multiple copy and paste steps to add patient's name, address, and the clinical information into the letter. This can easily take 5 minutes. The net result is that the clinicians spend considerable amount of time on a common task. This task can be easily automated to produce a better product in much less time. To meet this need, Brillians provides a powerful letter writer component which fully automates this process. In Brillians, you can create a high-quality letter with a few clicks in less than 30 seconds. You get a much better product with much less effort. Furthermore, for documentation purposes, you can directly save this letter as a CPRS progress note. All done in less than a minute.